And action! Hey lovely people, how you doing? In this video I'm gonna explain a little bit about how I set up the friend requests logic, whole friendship thing, how I created that in Firestore and in Cloud Functions. And after that we're gonna have a look at removing friendships, because now that we have accepting friendships working, we have let me see, we have sending friendships working, we have accepting friendships working, and now we need to focus on removing friendships and declining friend requests. Both relatively small features, but yeah, we gotta make them, and that's what we're gonna do in this video, at least to start with, just some UI stuff. I hope you like it. Bye. Yo, hello lovely people, how you doing? We are back with a brand new episode of Brian and the Flutter Chronicles. Oh, what the hell? In this video, we are going to continue where we left off. We've completed accepting friend requests, and now we want to focus on, let me think, we have accepting friend requests, we have sending them, and now we want to handle removing your friendship, I think. Let me think. Yeah, all right. So maybe it's cool if I can, yeah, that might be a cool idea. So I know I have an iPad here. Maybe I can stream. Connect. Do you want no? Never mind. We'll do that later. I'm having some difficulties with my internet, so it might not be a good idea to do this now. Yeah. All right. I need to log in with Google. Just give me a second, please. We'll go to the secret. Put up my one password. I think it doesn't really matter if you see this, but just give me a moment. 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 Google. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay. All right, we're back. So I wanted to use the iPad to kind of show you or explain to you how the whole friend system works, because that might be interesting to know about. Well, quickly, we have, let's close one password. We have 4 types of friend requests, actually 4 statuses. No, let's say 4 types of actions that you want to do when handling friend requests. So you can send a friend request, you can receive, no, you can delete a friend request, you can accept a friend request, delete friend request, and you can delete a friendship. So these are all the friend request and the friendship are both separate documents. Now, for accepting a friend request, we had to use cloud functions. For sending and deleting for sending and deleting a friend request and deleting a friendship, we could just use Firestore with security rules, because the friend request has the sender and the recipient, and then in the security rules you can say you can only accept it if you are the recipient, and you can only delete it if you are you can always delete it. You can also delete you can delete it if you are the recipient or the sender. Now, for accepting a friend request, we wanted to put that in a cloud function, because we want to make sure that the person, I just got a notice that my internet is gone. Sorry, where was I? You want to accept the friend request in the cloud function because, what was the main reason again? Yeah, if you have malicious intentions, you can fake accept somebody else's friend request. I think that was the reason. This is a bad explanation, I know. Let's just have a look at the cloud function. I forget these things. It's pretty annoying. Sometimes I think of something very good, and then I forget about it, and then I start thinking about it again. I think of it again, and then I see that I've already made it. Or I start going into some direction, and then I realize, oh, this is not working, and I'm going back to how it was, and then I realize, oh, I've already done this. All right, let's see. We have src. We have the friends, and then the function accept friend request. Now, let's just analyze and see what's going on here. So if I do this in the app, so I'm checking here if the person calling the function is actually the recipient. Well, we could still do this in the app and enforce security rules to adhere to this. So that was not the reason. Then we have the transaction. So we first want to delete something, then we want to create a new friendship. What in the world? I don't understand why this is a cloud function. Right, now I understand. Took a little while. So yeah, after accepting a friend request, you want to make a friend DTO. So the friend DTO or friendship DTO, I might rename it later, is a document that holds both of your IDs in an array. And with Firestore, you can very easily collect these documents very fast, and then you know who your friends are. It's always good to know. And the thing is, you don't want anyone to be able to create a friend document, because that's not, you can't enforce a safe process with security rules, because you can't say, well, you always have to be, your ID always have to be in the user IDs, but there's always going to be another ID, and there's no forcing of security rules. You cannot use security rules to enforce a combination of rules, so to speak. So we can't say in the security rules, well, you can only write this friend DTO if the friend request that you just deleted has you as a recipient. That's why. So we had to move it to the Cloud Functions. Whew. Glad we got that out of the way. All right. Anyway, so I was explaining how things work here. We send friend requests, we delete friend requests, and we accept friend requests, and we delete friendships. Those are the actions. Accepting friend requests is done already. Can I use shortcuts here, maybe? Bold. Give me a second. I want to strike through. Strike. Underline. Okay. You. All right. Underline means it's done. So accept friend request is done, and in Cloud Functions, deleting a friend request is something we haven't done yet. Sending a friend request is something we've already done. Actually, let's do it like this. Q box, Q checkbox. Yes, okay. So we still need to do this. We still need to do sending friend request is done. Accepting friend request is done, and deleting a friendship. So it's all about deleting. And once that's done, then I think we can officially wrap the entire friendship up. That's always a good thing. we can wrap the functionality, the feature up, wrap it up, and then I have to see what's next actually, because yeah, okay. Let's start with deleting the friendship. We're gonna get Fireful here in the building. If you don't know Fireful is an application that gives you superpowers in Firestore. We can close these. These are other projects of mine. We all just want to focus on this one. So we have friends here. Friends. So this is the document. We can see it here in Firebase. My internet is probably really slow. Yep. Like I said before, my internet is having issues today, so I'm on my hotspot, and I just got a message that my hotspot has run out of gigabytes. Maybe I can get some more, but that always takes a little while. Oh, interesting. They've actually added 2 gigs by themselves. That's interesting. So they do that. So I have 2 gigs every time. I think I can live with that. It's unlimited, so anyway. We have you see, here's the friendship. So creating this document over and over again because we're gonna test some stuff and do stuff, and we want to keep this document alive actually after deleting it. Sounds weird, but we want to reproduce it every time. Yeah, it's a lot of work to do this in Firestore. So yeah, here comes Firestore on steroids. We add a document as JSON. We copy this, and yeah, that's it. And then we just create a new document, paste in the JSON, save it, then it works. All right. Deleting a friendship. How are we gonna do that? Remove friend. Do we wanna, motherfucker? Do we wanna? Oops, damn it. Sorry, I might get a little distracted every now and then. Ooh, cool. So I'm using this app that's using AI to make shorts of my video that I recorded yesterday. It said it's done. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but you know, whatever. Okay, focus. Remove friend. Let's go. Remove friend. Let's remove the friend. Let me check. Cool. Very cool. Okay, we're gonna check this later. Anyway, another thing that I just remembered, I saw some errors. Error. Handle onboarding. Late initialization error. Import, unused imports. Late init error. Where? Come on. The user inbox. All right, that's something we need to fix. Let's put it on our to-do. To-do, fix late init error. Look at it later. All right, let's put this back here. Can we close this with a shortcut, maybe? I said I was gonna put the keycaster also. Is it here? Yeah, cool. Cool. Let's put it here. Here. Put it here. Like this. Cool. Ooh, that's might be a little bit too enthusiastic. Just like this. Screw it. Yes. Focus. All right. Let's see. What was I doing again? Removing friend. So this is the profile view. There you go. And in the profile view, I was wondering, do we want to remove the friend in the profile view? Where else can you remove a friend? You don't want to make it so apparent, right? Like remove friend, if that's always in there, like that big. We rather wanna remove friend, send message, following. Yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's go to, no, let's just go here. Just give me a sec. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like in a little bit. We're just gonna, you know, just like with Instagram, when you have when you're following someone and you can go to their page, I think you see following. So we're gonna do something similar. So you have this, you have the profile icon, you have this and this and this, and then you have here, this will say following, and this will say send message. And if you click it, then you must lick it. No, if you click it, then a drop down will come saying, hey, you wanna unfollow? Yeah, I think that's what we should do. And then a little arrow down, following. Let me check real quick how Instagram does that. Go to someone that you're following. Right, it gets a bottom sheet. Is that a good idea? Might be. For now, let's just do a drop down because we only have one thing. So, all right, let's send this to your mama. Let's send this to the MacBook. Here it is. So this is what I just drew. This is what I just drew. This is what I just drawed. I don't know. This is what I just made. You click on it, following, and then it will have a drop down with unfollow. And there's a little arrow down here. You see it? Pretty cool, huh? All right, so that's our mock-up for today. Let's go crazy. So instead of remove friend, what we want to do is hide this. Thank you. Instead of remove friend. There you go. We're gonna say not remove friend, but following. All right, and we also want to remove the leading icon. Let's see if that's possible in current state. Or we might have to make an adjustment. I think we do have to make an adjustment. Custom button. No, actually we don't. But we do have to make some kind of adjustment. Adjustment. Send. We have to change this to no. We have to change this to no. And then we want to, instead of leading, left side. We want to put it on the right side. The right side. This is confusing. I'm mirroring myself. Right side. So do we have a trailing here? Trailing? No. We only have an icon. Let's call this leading icon. We might also want to have a trailing icon. The trailing icon comes in. Yeah, we can do something like this. So this is the leading icon. This will be the trailing icon, and let's stop doing that. This will be the trailing icon, and since it's on the right side, we want to put the padding of 4 width in the middle, or else you would have some kind of invisible padding there. All right, we can press Hold, reload, but hard restart, but of reload. It's reload. I think it's confusing. Anyway, the one that doesn't restart it. Reload. It's confusing. Reload also kind of means restarting, reloading. Anyway, what I was saying, whatever it was, it doesn't help anything because we haven't given it a trailing icon yet. So we can do the same for this. We have a leading icon here. Yes, thank you. Let's put some indenting here so it's a little bit more clear what's going where. It's a trailing icon like this. Our trailing icon has exactly the same, but what we want to do is the trailing icon is only applicable for accepted. So return null should be here, and then here should be, actually we're looking for an arrow down. Now I have this website from material, icon, material, not material, arrow. This will show you all the errors, keyboard error, error down. The question is, do we want a full? Do we want this? Arrow drop down. Let's just see how it looks. Arrow drop down around it. Okay, interesting. Let's also put a double trailing icon size is 12. We can combine it like icon size and then that hurt. Okay. Wait a second. This is not good. This is not good. Damn it. Well, let's try and combine the new record thing. So it's always a bit confusing for me still, but let's say we have icon data icon and we have a double icon size is 12. So these are records, right? Well, you can't give it a default, okay? This. And then here you can say trailing icon dot icon, and then size icon trailing icon. Cool. Size. Yeah, of course this is a size. Alright. So this is a record, ladies and gentlemen. A record can hold multiple values. This one specifically is a named record. You can also do non-named. So what I do here is you'd say, okay, icon is this, and the size will be 20 for this one. See, now it's specific, because the issue was that the size would be for every icon, also if the status is different. You don't want that, right? 20, 20, 20, 20. Is it 20 enough? Maybe 24. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. See, that's, I don't really like these icons, to be honest, because they have this padding stuff, I think. Yeah, you see this? This icon is not representable. The size is not representable. There's a lot more covering the icon. See? That's the icon. I'll make it yellow. You can see it better. That's the whole icon size that it's taking up. It's so annoying. You can't make pixel perfect designs with that if you don't know how many pixels something's gonna be. Which is annoying, of course, you know. We want to make it a pixel perfect. Expand more, maybe that one is better. Expand. Ooh, this one is cool. Yes, sir. Let's go there. Let's go there. I need to go to the toilet, actually. I don't want to mess this video up. Yeah, this is too big. That's what she said. 16, 14. Yeah, very nice. I don't like it. See, in this case, it's nice to have a designer, but we don't have a designer, so yeah. You know what I mean? Perfecto. This is what I'm looking for. Let's give it 14. Yeah. Why do they do these things? Really, I just can't. I don't understand. Optical size. Is this what I'm looking for? I think so. Yeah, nice. Size, optical size. Do we do the size as well then? If that's not, yeah. Yeah, we can't do this because in the future you might not want to do optical size for everyone. Anything else? No, man. optical. Yeah, okay. So what if we make this optical size? I see. And is this 12? Let me show you a little trick, ladies and gentlemen. Is this 12 pixels? No. Or actually, no. Yeah, this is 15, 16 pixels. 15, 16. No. 6. Okay. This isn't right. God damn it. We're over engineering this thing a little bit, but yeah, whatever. Okay. So let's just say we'll keep the size 14, pattern correction of 2. There you go. Pixel perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Or maybe not. But it's fine by me. Okay, now that we got this out of the way, one icon, let's make this this color should also be different, I think. Button size, elevated media. I think so. Background color, yes, the model, friend request, value, fold. So for the, hello? What did I do wrong? I'll explain in a second. Just give me a moment. Okay, we got the color CTA. This is red. I know this is always red. Well, sort of always red. It's the CTA color. Maybe it changes later. Maybe it doesn't. It's red now. So we keep this red for the other ones, and we want to do the color on background. So whatever the background color is, we switch it up. We determine whether it's black or white. So based on this background color, it's white. Based on, let's say if it was yellow, then it would be black. So yeah. The nice thing is everything else also changes along with it, like the color of the text and this, because I've set up the theme magnificently. Okay, following. Dun dun. Shall we create a bottom sheet or shall we do a drop down? I'm wondering. Because I need to figure out how the drop down works again. Custom drop down menu, items, builder, key. The builder. Right, that's the builder. Let me think. I have a drop-down menu in the feed view, home view, drop-down. Let's just see where this is being used. That's a better idea. Custom drop-down menu, global key. So the global key was there in the item. Key. How was this working again? Skill tap up details. Skill tap details. Skill tap up details button. What the hell? I'm a little bit confused. I know I've made this at some point, but the skill button is what we use. I don't remember the skill to tap up details button. Tap up. Skill transition. If we compare it to this one, what's the difference? Skill, tap up details. These are the tap up details. And what does a tap up details do? Let's change this. I know I've changed this a couple days ago. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Bless you. Thank you. Okay. Now I remember. So the details give you the location, and then you need the location. You need the location. For the drop-down menu. All right. We have some ghosts in here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know this probably doesn't make very much sense right now, but we got a problem. And I gotta go as well. I need to buy a present. Right, 15 more minutes. The issue here is that for all the other buttons, we're using a custom button, which is a widget that we use for the buttons. Now the drop-down button is a different button. And currently we have all the different type of logic based on the friend request status inside the button. So we can't use that logic outside of the button, which we actually want to do because we want to determine outside of the button which button we want to use. Do we want to use the custom button? Do we want to use the drop-down button? Do we want to use the I don't know. Let's see. How shall we fix this? Let's go back. Let's go back in time. I think the easiest way to fix this, instead of doing the drop down, because eventually we would go to the bottom sheet, because that's actually a good idea from Instagram. But I was like, why do that now if we only have one item? But that might even be more easy to do right now. So, good idea, whoever it was. Accepted. Show accepted friendship bottom sheet. All right, show friendship bottom sheet. For that we do have to give a context, I think. So context. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I like my code to be very clear, readable as English, and understandable for anyone who has never seen it before. And using named variables helps a lot. Okay, let me see. Feedback service. Show bottom sheet, custom bottom sheet, custom bottom sheet. Okay, nice. Let's see if this works already. It does. Oh, my bad. The app was gone. So I think it works. You just can't see anything. Content is text. I always use WTF. Don't ask me what it means. Don't ask me what it means. There it is. All right, so we have a title. Yes, sir. Let's see what Instagram does. Right. You show the person's name. We have the person's name here. So it will show the username, and if somehow we can't get the username because the profile is nullable, it will show us the following. What? The following? Yes, the following. Okay, thank you. Feedback service, show custom bottom sheet. Yay! What? What is the custom bottom sheet? See, my mind just went somewhere else. Focus. Content, profile detail, show friendship bottom sheet. So we want to say unfollow that guy. Let's look at Instagram again. Thank you, Instagram. I mean, you know, somebody's doing a good job doing something. Why try to come up with your custom solution? So it actually says unfollow, yeah. Unfriend, let's call it unfriend to be original. So if you do this, unfriend, very nice. Actually, let's do some crazy stuff here. Custom button, elevated, no. Custom button, elevated, thank you. Damn it, this is UI stuff. I don't want to have UI stuff in my business logic. Title, text, unfriend. Just see how it looks. Background color is context, color on background. Yes, there. Context. What's this? Okay. What is this? Did I make a typo or something? I don't know. Background color, context color on background. I'm not entirely sure what's going on here. Maybe because this is happening. So if the button doesn't have a function, it will disable itself or look disabled. Just like you. Nice. Min width, double infinity. Should put this in a widget. This is much more like it. Unfollow. Unfollow you. Relax, relax. Sorry. Too much, too much. Too much, always too much. All right, ladies and gents, I think we came pretty far. I need to wrap it up. It's I need to go to the city to buy a gift for a friend of mine. I'm gonna wrap it up here. So, what did we do today? We got as far as choosing the right icon and deciding that using a drop down isn't gonna cut it for us. We're just gonna use a bottom sheet, which actually looks pretty cool, pretty nice, don't you think? Yeah, I don't see the color difference here, but I know it's different color. I'm colorblind, by the way. And I have a condition where I don't see light very well, but whatever. That's why I'm wearing the glasses. We get to know each other. We're starting to get to know each other. Yeah. So we just did some UI stuff, and yeah, what else can you do in 1 hour? Huh? Next time, we're gonna implement this logic and then do the same for when an invite has been sent. I might do this in the train. In the train today, but I won't be talking so much. I think, because that might be weird in the train. Or maybe not. I also don't care. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take good care of yourself and each other.